What's up, guys? We got a new video today. We're doing sound deadening material. Alright, so in this box of sound skins, or not sound skins, Kilomat actually, we have, I believe it said 25 square feet, 50 mil, which this stuff is actually really thin. And in case anyone wants to know, it's well, you can see that, I'll tell you. Each sheet is 20 by 15 inches. Came from Russia. So we're gonna start by taking out the seats on my truck. I'm sure it's the same for the rest of the truck. Take number 15. And if you happen to have one of these awesome tools, once you loosen it, whoops. It makes taking stuff off like this really fast, really easy. And then the back, depending on what you got, I have like this little locking cap piece of crap. Ooh, free bolt. Crowbar takes care of that usually. This one actually takes a T. Of course, it doesn't want to focus. Would you believe me if I told you? It takes a T50. And since I got an impact, we'll just use impact. Bam. That was easy, right? Then in the front you have this little cone head thing. This thing sucks to take off, but I'm throwing that away. Less weight. Oh hey, look, another one of those clips. Take that off too. Now if you take it off, same thing, 15mm socket. Oh, battery. And that's it, all the hardware is out. Alright, once all your hardware is out, you can tilt your seat back and be prepared to see all the disgusting filth that's accumulated in your truck over the years. Yeah, seatbelt, that makes sense. Alright. So after that, you pull out your seat. Now, taking out your center console is relatively the same process. You got one down here, a nut down there, and you have two of them down there. So go ahead and pull those out, and then this seat, same process. Now, once all your stuff is out, it should look somewhat like this. It's important to note that I took all, well, this, I'm missing this, but I didn't have that. Took that piece out. I think the kick panel should be fine, but might need to come out. I don't have this one. But it should be a simple method of just pulling the damn thing out. But first, since this is YouTube, and you're probably watching this because you have nothing to do, let's see what we can find. Here's a penny. I also found a corroded penny. I'm sure I can still use that. A dime, that was cool. Penny. Here's another penny. I'm sure I'll find stuff along the way. Let's pull this thing out. So I thought about this, and there's no easy. So, what I'm gonna do is I got a small bucket of soap and water, a Scotch-Brite pad. I'm just gonna clean it. The interior of the S10 is dry. It's actually been 2 days. And with it drying, we've learned stuff. So, I'm not really sure how well it's gonna pop up on camera. So these little guys appear to be some kind of spot welds right here. And this is corrosion. Don't know why. Don't know whoever had stuff back here long ago. It has corroded my truck. Also, I found a spot right here. And I'm like, oh damn, this is not good at all. So, I'm going to repair all this. I wanted to show you, I used a drill and a wire brush attachment. And I'm just gonna use some rust coat. Just transforms rust and stuff. Any brand I'm sure works fine. Now I've had this stuff sitting in the sun for a while just to make it a little more, you know, pliable. But I'm gonna stick you on the tripod and we'll do a time lapse. We're gonna start from the back and work our way front. been a whole nother day on this carpet. You know, it's crazy because like you think spray painting something, the carpets are like crunchy, it's soft. I mean, it's not like, you know, it's like crazy soft, but it's definitely a little stiffer than it was before. But I mean, I think it just looks great. But however, there was one coat, and you can see some spots that look lighter than others. Hard to tell on camera. I mean, this is a pressure wash spot, for example. But I'm gonna give it another coat just to make sure it's nice and dark. Like here, you can kind of tell right there. You see a little green or something. I'll do this off camera. While I had the carpet out, I wanted to work something inside the truck. It's on the transmission tunnel right here. I had issues with the transmission lines. Either they're not good, maybe they're bad fittings or something, but they come loose over time. And for me to tighten those lines under the truck, it's a lot of work. So I decided to go ahead and sacrifice some of my sheet metal in here and made an access plate. That way I was able to just remove it, like I could pull the carpet up and tighten those lines, easy peasy, and you know, just go on with my day. Hopefully it ended up just me not being smart enough to tighten the lines tight enough, but if it ever comes to that, I'll just swap out the lines in the future. For the future though, since that is being helped in by self-tapping screws, I will either buy an insert nut gun or maybe put some bolts from the underside. That way nothing protrudes into the transmission tunnel. So when it comes to removing that, I mean, it won't be a big deal, but it's just cleaner fit and it looks nicer. So last night, you didn't get to see it because the camera died and it was dark anyways, but I ended up pulling off the two pieces there and also ripped off the steering wheel holder, which was held in by spot weld. Unfortunately, I made 3 holes there and I made 1 hole there. I don't have a solution for now, but I guess I'll just put rivets in those holes. I don't want to weld the cab yet because the backside I can't really get to it to put paint on it, so I don't want to do any of that stuff. So I'll just push that to later, but I'm going to put skin on this back. So for areas like this that it's stuff that we need there, like a cable, or in the future that we might never need access to. So instead of making it all hard to get to, all I did was keep the plastic on, or this wax paper material, and just trimmed it off on 2 sides. So when it goes time to put it on, you lay it out just right. It still moves. Or when you peel it off, it'll just, what I'm trying to say is most of it won't be stuck, right? Does that make sense? Yeah, it does. The carpet is in, and I gotta say, it actually looks pretty good. I don't know how the sun's reflecting up on this, but looks like I might have missed a small spot there. But honestly, you know what? No, it didn't. It looks good. This carpet looks a heck of a lot better than it did when it first came out of here. Now, I will say on the pressure washing, kind of like ruffle these, but to be honest, if you just give it a quick scrub, it'll be hardly noticeable over time. In the future, this will hold a speaker box, so you won't even see that like it matters. But this carpet looks so much better than it did originally. I'm happy with it. So, heck yeah, we'll put the seats in. Here you can see the comparison between the greenish factory color and the black we did. Good comparison.